What up, YouTube? So today we got this 2010 Hyundai Elantra, some front end damage. So yeah, we're gonna rebuild this car. We got it from a tow yard of ours. It needs a little bit of mainly front end work, but there's like a few other scuffs and dents on the body, other places, but the majority of the damage is in the front. So this video will be mainly time lapses of me just like disassembling, getting what's bad off, and like getting new stuff on. There won't be a lot of talking in this video, just mainly time lapses because this is not really a tutorial. It's just you guys like watching and coming along and watching me rebuild this car. So yeah, I'm just gonna roll some time lapses of me disassembling the front end. So one of the first problems that we had with this car is when my cousin took it out the trailer and started it. It was running, and he shut it off. And then after he shut it off, he couldn't get it started. So he thought maybe the engine ran out of oil and got jammed. So then I jacked it up, took the passenger wheel off, turned the engine was turning. Then I went in the car, figured out that the shifter was broken. They wouldn't go into park. So I just put it in neutral, started the car, put it in reverse, got it in the shop. And then now I'm just taking off the air cleaner box so I can get access to the top of the transmission to see if I can manually shift it into park. So what I did is I took the cable off from in here, because remember out there I took it off out there, but it's sliding firm, like it's not sticking. But what I noticed is even with no cable connected, it won't. I think the shift mechanism in this thing is broken. So I either need to try to fix this thing or get a new one. So that's the problem. That's why it's not going to park. That's why it wasn't starting. Yeah, it's just stuck. Alright, so it's another day. I got some parts in for the new bonnet, crash bar, and the rad support frame. So yeah, I'm just gonna skip to another time lapse and then just watch what's going on. So yeah, I stripped everything that was broken off. The only other thing that's still broken is this sensor right here. Broke off. So I didn't receive the new then yeah, both the AC condenser and the radiator are fucked. So I'm just gonna get a new one. And I thought I might be able to save the fan, but I don't know, cause it's like crooked when it's spinning now. So it got an impact. So I might need a new fan. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. I'll let you guys know when I get a new update. So I don't have a stand, so I'm just gonna power wash the engine bay to make it look better. But I wanted to set up a time lapse, but I just don't have a stand and I can't be bothered to find somewhere to set my phone. So this is the before and then I'm gonna show you the after. Alright, so it's another day. I think I left off before I power washed it, so yeah, I power washed it. Now it looks somewhat cleaner. I also got some new parts in. Got a new bonnet, bumper, crash bar, the grills for the bumper, and then I got radiator and what's it called, AC condenser. So yeah, I'm just gonna do a time lapse of me putting back everything together. Also, I forgot to mention the headlights. They weren't broken themselves, but the tabs that attached to the top of the frame, those tabs got broken off. So I just got some Gorilla Glue, like the construction one that comes in the tube, and glued the tabs back on. And yeah, it held up pretty strong. And then I'm gonna wet sand it and get it clear coated when I get the car sprayed. So we're getting to the kind of final stages now. Just putting the bumper, the bonnet, trying to get some stuff online before it goes to the body shop, but they'll get it perfect. So yeah, for now this is the first part, I guess. and I'll give you an update when the car is done. But for now, this is what we got.